Thank you so much. So
You
big.
can put soy sauce or the vinegar.
I'll try like this and then see. Ah.
Wow.
There's no vinegar.
Mm.
Wow.
Mm.
Yeah.
Good. Really good. How much is this?
Ayun.
Maybe we can order one more. So big. Wow. So good.
Ako po si... Wait, babe.
Mm. Mm.
Good, delicious. You can get one.
Order ni Ada.
Adago.
Why me? Mm.
That's good. It's in the hair. The inside.
Did you ask for the lime?
Everywhere.
Already.
Mm.
Too big, no? And they cut it to bite size.
Wow.
Ano yan? Calamansi.
Really?
Garlic?
Cucumber and garlic?
Garlic. Garlic and calamansi.
Vinegar and
And then, pusit.
ayun na. Garlic. Na?
Vinegar puso.
That's good.
Huh? Refreshing. Just there.
And that's inside the cloud.
Thank you. There's a lot.
Wow, vegetables.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. A lot of insect.
Why do you keep coming? Wait.
Shake well before. So delicious.
Sweet.
I wanna try it too. I've been seeing it. We have served. Razor clam.
Nails clam.
Razor. This is ano the serving chopstick.
Sa likod naman. And these are Korean finger.
Ah,
Finger snail.
is it expensive?
Let me show you.
I think it's just
Compared to the crab.
to the crab. I think it's the small holes we see
Ah.
there.
Ah.
and then they put asin, so it will.
Good.
It is.
You can stir
Huh?
fry it with the
Good. It's good.
Dili na. Vegetable pa rin alin.
More coming.
No.
Ooh.
What? Oyster.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Huh?
No, come lang.
Wag na mag-rice?
Chang.
Chang minute? Nah.
Chang.
Chang. Chang.
And
I
another.
don't think we need rice.
Yeah, I don't think
Because
so.
if we eat
they
rice,
have
then we
rice?
cannot finish it.
Yeah. Don't run. Wow.
It's good.
I'm doing a mukbang review.
Gusto mo anin ko an?
Looks like a squid.
Is it
As parat ng Japan siya?
patis?
Patis.
Patis,
Aman. The finger is
Yeah, pickled clams.
You can use this one for nail extension. No need to pay
How many?
300,000.
Okay. Who wants rice?
Kaya ra.
Maybe they can serve one plate of rice
1 cup, 2 cup.
or 2 cups of rice.
We have one right?
For the 1 cup.
Emma. Only rice.
Rice, pure rice na lang.
Health mission. Yeah.
More lemon.
Can we have lemon? Gusto.
Kasi nagle-lemon sa ketchup. I'm so tired. I put lime on ketchup.
Nails and extension.
The first one earlier is clam, not oyster. This one is
Girl, I have a tea.
Ayun.
good and it's hot.
It's really hot.
It's hot. Careful.
Ah. Sarap na ano? Squid. Oh, yours right? Hmm?
Everything is good because we're all hungry.
Mm. Can I have the rest?
Oh, so fast.
Mainit.
Thank you. I will choose my chopstick. And the rice is broken rice. It's
We also have rice
so
in
nice.
your meal in Algeria.
Mm.
That's what kind of
Like we have it as
Yeah.
rice. We have it as a meal, not with other meals.
Really?
What do you eat with
But
rice?
You fried it?
No, like we
Just
just
like
cook
plain?
it. Either with like, sauce,
don't put-
red sauce. We make it like tomato sauce,
It's like
or with chicken.
you're doing it like a pasta.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Or also with
For us-
chicken or.
we need to have something. Sige po.
Carbohydrates with carbohydrates.
It's carbs and carbs and carbs.
Carbs and carbs.
Mag-potato mo. Carbs din. Pareho lang. Mm. Like lemon and garlic. What do you like? Yeah, it's really dark there.
Cucumber.
American have more potato here, please. Just put here for ano.
Subusog. Are you happy that you went last minute?
Mm-hmm. It's all worth it.
Mm.
Yeah.
Are you happy, Shania?
Of course. This was staying in Bagza.
Rather than staying with the boys in
The thing is
Baksa.
really just gets inside.
Mm.
Why?
I will eat like this.
In Philippines, we can eat this one.
Huh?
The flying, what's this?
Huh?
Really?
Come on.
No.
Really?
In their
I haven't
hometown.
tried.
Like you're going to fry it. In Bukidnon.
Yeah.
Bukidnon. The frying, I don't know what you call it one.
Flying ant.
Mm. Iyak. Right.
Maybe I need a little bit. That is so good.
Like it's a broken rice. Tastes so good.
Broken rice.
Mm.
Walking there.
So good.
Sayang.
What's sayang?
No rice.
Mm. But tomorrow we still have to wear bikini. Ay, sorry, ma'am.